Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing my update for the Graveyard Project pan that I'm doing with several other ladies. The master list will be listed down below. This was created by Emily and Max, and this will be the second year that we've done this. I finished 2 things and decluttered 1. I decluttered the It Cosmetics Confidence in a Cream. It was just too thick and a little bit on the greasy side for me, so okay, sorry about that. I decluttered the It Cosmetics Confidence in a Cream. I'm going to be giving that to my friend when I send our next swap package out. So anyway, I did finish 2 things. I finished the Aprilskin Real Calendula Peeling Pads and my cushion foundation. This is from Etude House. It's the Double Lasting Cushion in the shade Rosy Pure. I'll show you what it looks like. There's what my foundation looks like, that, and then all empty. So we have 2 months left in this project, so I'm rolling in 3 things that I'm sure I will be able to finish. I have this Smashbox Photo Finish Primerizer. This is a little mini guy. I've had this maybe a couple years now. I just keep forgetting about it because it's so small and I have all my samples in a different place. So okay, as I was saying, I have my samples in a different spot, so I forget about them. So I'm going to try this out and finish this. So yeah. Then I have this e.l.f. Makeup Remover Balm. You guys remember the Urban Decay Makeup Melt stick? This is a similar idea. I don't know if it's an exact dupe or not, but I got this at TJ Maxx for like $2 or $2 or $3, something like that. Anyway, I'm going to try this out because I really like that melt stick from Urban Decay. I don't know if they still sell it. They may or may not. I'm not sure. I'd have to look into it because I really liked it. But anyway, I'm going to try that out and use it up. Then I have these. These are the Roc Skincare Daily Resurfacing Discs. There's 28 in here, so it should take me a month to use them if I use them daily. So I have another one of these, so maybe I can knock out both of those. So anyway, that's my update. Hopefully you guys enjoyed. Please check out the ladies listed in the description box below. Give them some love and some likes. Give us a thumbs up if you like project panning videos. Subscribe if you have not. We'd love for you to join the fam. And click that bell if you like more notifications from me. And I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye, guys.